because it was my last year of competition, and I would like to announce officially that I'm retiring from bodybuilding competition. I would like to thank you all for supporting me. I would like to thank the judges. Bodybuilding has been a beautiful experience for me, and I will continue it for the rest of my life. I almost stopped competing, but I'm not stopping bodybuilding. When my father died, because my mother called me on the phone and she said, your dad died. And this was exactly 2 months before contest. She said, "Do you come home to the funeral?" I said, "No, it's too late, he's dead, there's nothing to be done. And I'm sorry, I can't come, And I didn't explain to her really the reasons why, I had other excuses to her, because how do you explain a mother